I have arranged my bustle skirt. So this is the front. I've put the mannequin on a coat stand. I took off the stand and I turned the stand upside down, and the parts I reassembled them, and I tied my mannequin on it so I can measure the skirt straight. As you can see, the skirt is straight. Yeah, I've put bits of paper together, it's not relevant. So that's the front, and this metal is on the way, but as you can see, it's overlapping nearly to the front quite nicely, not too little. It's tapering down here, which is what I want, because I'm going, and then this is the center side. From the center side, I'll have the corset taper low to the front, and looking at this, I can build a corset from all the way from the side to come and add to this section. And this section, it's all straight panel, and this is the center of it at the back, so it means I'll double it. And now I have created the cover that is going to have all the fancy frills. It's going to be same as the original bustle construction with pleats here, and then it is a flat fabric which is nicely rounded. I've marked out where the foam is and where my metal wire is. So on this side I didn't mark where the end is, but I just marked out where the foam and the end of the foam is, because I only have one pattern of this side and I'm going to use it. I originally started it, as you can see, got the markings. I originally started it from the opposite side, and I flipped it over and I started marking it on this side to ensure that it is going to be half-half. And yes, it is half-half, and it's coming very well at the waist. As you can see, it joins very well at the waist, so I'll have no problem extending it with the corset or the bodice pattern. Now I'm going to make it to end on this section because I don't think it needs to be covering all the way, and it will be a pin on, maybe something I just put on the bustle and pin on, like in the olden days. It will have been something that they just wore over and tied, and then had the main dress bodies on top. So it could be that, or it could be joined with this detachable skirt bodice dress pattern. I have not decided, but I think that it's easier for them to be separate, because in that way one can just put on the dress and go. In the olden days, we'll have had ties on the side somewhere where you tie the two together, so that's also an option. I could tie them together. Yeah, that's an option, but so far this is the whole structure which I'm going to create, cut out of fabric. All I need to now do is just to add it with the thingy, with the bodies. That's it. So it will be the dress complete.